Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a pool floaty. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my pink color pen to draw the pool floaty. It will be really fun. Now I'm using a bit of red color. And now I'm using blue. Pink again. For the coloring, I'm using my pink highlighter pen. Wow! I'm using blue. And now I'm using my red color pen to draw this one. A little bit of blue. To do the coloring, I'm using my red highlighter pen. A little touch up with red color pen. Wow! My drawing is done! And this is how you can draw a pool floaty within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.